Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing. So if you're new to affiliate marketing or you're thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing, then I'm going to be sharing some helpful tips so you can start earning money. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting other people's products through a specific link that's coded to you. So whenever somebody clicks on that link and they purchase the product that you're promoting, then that's when you earn commissions. So it's pretty simple to understand what affiliate marketing is, but when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing, there's a lot of mechanics that are involved. So I'm going to be diving into that in this video, but before I go any further, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here, and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me just jump right into this video. So when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing, people who are just beginners, they make the mistake of promoting any and all kinds of products anywhere they can all over the internet. So if you're trying to reach everybody, you end up reaching nobody. Because in order for you to become successful with affiliate marketing, you first have to specifically focus on a certain niche. And when you go with a niche, I recommend that you go with a niche that you're really passionate about. Now, the reason why I say this is because you're going to have to create a lot of content that's based around the niche that you're in. So if you're just picking a niche because you think this is a niche that's going to make you the most money, there's a good chance that you're going to give up because you're not really passionate about the content that you're creating around that niche. There's going to be obstacles that you have to overcome. There's going to be hard times and challenges that you have to deal with. And if you're not passionate about the niche that you're in, your chances of giving up are a lot higher. Now, there's plenty of different profitable niches out there, but the three most common ones that are always going to be profitable are the make money online niche because people are always looking to make more money. There's the weight loss niche because people are always looking to get in better shape. There's people who are struggling with their weight constantly. They have maybe what's called a yo-yo diet where they're gaining weight, they're losing weight, they're gaining weight. So people are constantly looking to get in shape and live healthier. And the third most profitable niche is the dating and relationship niche because us as human beings, we have a desire to love and be loved. So these three niches are what's called the evergreen niches. They're always going to be profitable. But don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean that there's not any other profitable niches out there. You just have to do your research and find what niche that you're passionate about and figure out a way to monetize that. Okay, so once you have your niche picked out, you need to figure out a product that you're going to promote. So when you're picking an affiliate product to promote, it should be related to the niche that you're in. It wouldn't make sense if you're in the weight loss niche and you're promoting a product that shows people how to make money online. People aren't going to resonate with that, so almost nobody's going to buy that if that's the niche that you're targeting. So when you're looking for a product to promote, I recommend looking for a high ticket affiliate product. This is something that's going to pay you $100 or more in commissions every time somebody purchases that product that you're promoting. If you're looking into affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, I mean, this is a good place to get started with because it's free, but they don't really pay a whole lot when it comes to commissions. Let's say, for example, you're in the health and fitness niche and you're promoting a jump rope that's sold on Amazon, and that jump rope is only $10. They pay somewhere around 4%. It can range from anywhere between 2.5% to, I'd say, 8% on any product that you're promoting. It depends on the category, but let's just say, for example, that they pay you 4% out of that $10 commission. You'd be only making 40 cents. So you would have to sell a lot of jump ropes in order to make a decent amount of money. Now, there's some affiliate programs that offer high ticket commissions, but normally you would have to invest some money in order to become an affiliate with this program. But if you guys are looking for some free ones, I recommend going with ClickBank. There's plenty of different affiliate products to promote depending on the niche that you're in. You just have to do your research and figure out how much you would be making in commissions and how popular that item is being sold for. Now, in order to get started as an affiliate with ClickBank, the same process as Amazon, all you have to do is just sign up to become an affiliate. Just to give you guys a quick disclaimer, with Amazon you do need to have your own website to become an affiliate now. But once you sign up to become an affiliate, you can start promoting their products right away. Okay, so let me talk about how you would be promoting affiliate products. If you're just looking to spam your affiliate links all willy-nilly all over the place, that's really not going to work. Because people aren't just going to click on a random link from somebody that they don't know and buy a product. In order to become successful with affiliate marketing, you first have to build an audience, and then you have to create trust with that audience so you can sell your affiliate products to them. So how do you go about by creating an audience? You first have to deliver value. So this can mean different things depending on what niche that you're in. If you're in the weight loss niche, delivering value can be solving a problem that somebody's having with weight loss. If you're in the make money online niche, delivering value can be showing somebody there's other ways other than working at a regular 9-to-5 job that they can do to earn money. So basically, delivering value based on the niche that you're in is solving a problem that somebody is having. So you should be creating content where you're delivering value on a regular basis. So creating content can be in many forms. It can be in a blog article, it can be in a Facebook post, or even in a YouTube video. So when you're constantly creating content and you're addressing a problem that people are having and they're seeing the value that's in the content that you're creating, this is how you start to build up trust. So once you start to build up trust among your audience, they're more likely to buy the affiliate product that you're promoting to them. Now, if you're looking to make money with affiliate marketing for free, it is possible, but it's going to be a lot harder as opposed to investing money into what's called an email software service. People who are successful with affiliate marketing, they all use email marketing services such as GetResponse, Aweber, and SendLane. So basically what an email software service is basically you're sending out emails to the people who sign up on your email list. So you're constantly marketing to the people who are interested in what you have to sell. So let me just give you guys a quick visual on how it should look. So when you have an email software service, you have the option to create a landing page, which is a form where people can receive a free offer that you're providing to them. So let's say that you're offering a free video or an ebook. In this case, it's going to be a video. In order for somebody to see that video, they're going to have to submit their email address, and then they're going to have to click the button, which is going to take them to the next page so they can see your video. So whatever niche that you're in, people are going to be interested in your free offer because it should be related to the product or the problem that they're having. So people click on the button after they submit their email. It's going to take them to what's called a sales page. It's going to be a video they watch. Maybe it's about weight loss or showing them how to make money online. Let's just say it's about weight loss. So you're promoting a product that's going to show them how to lose belly fat, maybe 5 to 15 extra pounds, but they're not seeing the value or they don't have enough trust among you to purchase that product, so most likely they're not going to buy it the first time that they're introduced to that product. So what happens now is that they're on your email list where they're going to be receiving your autoresponder emails on a regular basis. Let's say email 1, day 1, they're going to receive an email saying, welcome, I'm going to be delivering helpful tips to help you lose weight. Day 2, you can send them an email talking about try these exercises to help you lose weight, burn extra fat, etc. Day 3, another one talking about healthy eating recipes that's going to help you live healthier, get more vitamins, nutrients, and all that other stuff. But what you can also do in every one of your emails is just give people a call to action. You can just simply let them know if you're tired of struggling with weight loss and you're looking for a solution, click this link, and that link is going to take them to the sales page of your product that you're promoting. Does that make sense? So this is where the majority of people make money with affiliate marketing, is by marketing to their customers or the people on their email list. Because people are only going to purchase a product after multiple exposures because you're conditioning them and building trust with your audience. If you just come to somebody right away and say, hey, buy my product because I say so, it's going to help you out, most likely they're not going to buy that product because you're not delivering any value. So over the course of a few emails, people are slowly getting to know you, seeing the value that you're delivering, and they feel more confident in buying a product that you're promoting to them. So that's basically how you make money with affiliate marketing. So I hope this video wasn't too confusing. If you're brand new to affiliate marketing, hopefully it cleared up a few things. If you guys learned something new, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a free ebook download down in the description called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. So I basically go in more detail on how you can make money with affiliate marketing. So I recommend checking that out if you're interested. It's completely free. And if you guys want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, then click the first link in the description below. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.